Do you think, there's a couple companies now in the space, and
Uh-huh.
obviously this relationship and this product that you're putting out. Do you think we'll start to see less new competitors entering the market given the stage at where everyone is at?
That's a really good question. I do think it's hard. There are pretty significant barriers to entry. I think the low-hanging fruit has been eaten, and but I also wouldn't put it past. I mean, this is a pretty incredible moment in our sort of technology history with kind of what we're seeing with AI. I mean, everyone's kind of recognizing it. And so I do think that it's more possible now than ever before for a small group of people to have an outsized impact just using these technologies if they understand it. So I certainly wouldn't put it past. I think there's always going to be some amazing upstarts that are thinking about the problems in a very radical way. Now with AI can kind of move faster and surprise everyone. But I think this is a very complicated area to build products for, to sell into, to handle kind of the regulatory issues, to connect end to end. So I think that in some ways will be harder for newer entrants. But I do think that you can't underestimate just American ingenuity and entrepreneurship combined with now AI, which I think is a huge force multiplier. So I think it keeps all of the players on their toes, right? You just have to keep innovating, whoever you are, whether or not you're, an established company or you're a group that's, brought several companies together like Smarter versus a new entrant. I think you can't sit on your laurels at any moment.
Yeah. I think what has ended up happening too
Yeah.
is you now have, like you were saying, because of where the technology is at, you could have a smaller player start to, make their entry, but they have to go more than ever before, like as super niche as possible. Like it is going to be tough for some of these new entrants to be able to compete given the stage of which the competition is currently at, right?
Yeah, no, I think it is moving at a pretty rapid pace, and you'd have to be really working on something that hasn't been tackled before, like you mentioned. I think because I think there's more of the expectations now is how much of a broad platform play are you bringing to the health system or to the physician or whoever you're working with.